What's up good people, I hope you're well and mmekuwa fiti. Karibuni sana to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My returning subscribers, asanteni sana, and to my premium gang, karibuni tena. I really appreciate your support. So today we're going to clean my bedroom and we're starting off with wiping off my bed. Thankfully, the material that is in hii kitanda, it's easy to wipe, so that's where we start off today. Thank you guys. I love you for being here. My little helper wasn't doing much today. She was just misbehaving, pouring water. But anyway, she's good company, guys. But mnaona venye kuna vumbi, it's so dusty. And I don't love the color of this shoe rack. At some point, I'm going to change the color because brown is a no. It's a no. The shoes were dusty. Everything was dusty, honestly. Yeah, but we got to do what we have to do hadi tupate mvua, and we have so many shoes, but again, storage in this house, it's a problem. So tunaishi venye tutaweza. I had mopped my bedroom 2 days ago, so I didn't have much to do. So nilipanguza juju too, and that was it for the mopping.
It's a Friday night, turned on all her lights. Ooh, an open window. Hairbrush at her lips, towel hugs her hips. Ooh, she's going out. Slips on her dress, stumbles toward the shower, lives for what feels like an hour, then turns up the song. Just another hopeless romantic, caffeinated little dramatic in an age increasingly manic. She's just on the hunt for some magic. Look at her go. You'd never know that she's just another hopeless romantic, caffeinated little dramatic. Texts from all her friends, 'cause she's late again. Ooh, she'd rather stay home, curled up in her bed with a book instead. But ooh, life's outside her front door. Clips up her hair, takes one look in the mirror, and it's never been clearer that this is her song. Just another hopeless romantic, caffeinated little dramatic in an age increasingly manic. She's just on the hunt for some magic. Look at her go. Look at her go, yeah. You'd never know. You'd never know. She's just another hopeless romantic, caffeinated little dramatic.
I had to use 4 pieces of curtains because those curtains were not so big. They are from a previous house which had very tiny windows. Yeah, and there is my helper. She's back, but she's quite a vibe, honestly. And yeah, I'm trying to make the bed as she's trying to do her things. Tell me, guys, do you allow your babies to help you with work? Because this one can't let you even breathe in peace. She has to be there. But I love that she will maybe grow up learning how to clean and all that. So I will allow her when time and whatever I'm doing is okay for her to be involved.
Call me when you're free and we can start our own party. So let's go live it up like it's 1999. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like to know what you're thinking, but I'm kinda shy, I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, and I'm not looking back.
Okay, tell the people bye. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Tell them here bye.
Bye.
I've gone.
Gone.
Okay.
But you know, just our bodies, you and me. When the night is over, say you just can't control the way you feel with me.
Never used this today. I was actually using the other gray one. Yeah, so let's do this today. Let's unleash this one. I really look forward to a time that I'm going to have my bed in the center, at the center of the room, so that I won't be struggling to tuck in the duvets on the other side of the wall, because it's not funny. It's not even funny, guys. But I'm grateful for what I have. This duvet, if you've not checked out my Kamukunji haul, that's I bought it from Kamukunji. I love the white, I love the green going on. Honestly, the room is now looking a bit brighter. And tell me, what do you think about how the room is going to turn out? Please give me an honest review of what you think. Yes, I'm not the kind of person who puts 2 sheets because I feel like they are too much, so I just prefer 1 sheet. That's why I have the 1 sheet only. I didn't use the duvet one because it's usually very small. So yeah, let's see how the room is going to turn out. So guys, I just received my parcel from Carpet Thrifts, and it was sent to me through, what's the name, Pickup Mtaani. So I just got it and I love it. Okay, I haven't even opened it because this lady sells online. Guys, let me just open it and then I'm going to show you once I put it on my bedroom. The reason why I bought this carpet is because the other carpet I had wasn't giving. I had this one, and honestly this carpet haiko ina give kabisa. So I'm going to show you once I put the carpet. Yeah. You like it?
Yeah, like it.
Okay, come here, sit here with mommy. The last thing we had to do is burn a candle. I got this candle from work. I was gifted by my colleague. It's very nice and calming. But now it tends to be really hard for me to light up this candle, especially the ones that ziko na ka space kadogo. So the best way to do it is use spaghetti stick. You light up the matchstick and then now you light up the spaghetti stick so that you do not get burnt. That's a hack. That's how I got to learn on the internet how to do this. But my little helper there is lighting up. I'm struggling to light up and there she goes. She just decided to put it off. Surely.
I really just bought Sims. It was on sale for $99. Man, what a weird sign of the times. Need to keep busy, trying to eat the hours away. Who knew that I like Milky Way? Wake up, I'm ready to go, yeah. Feeling so good in control, yeah. And think of the places I could be, so I give up and watch TV. I think I'm going crazy, pacing around my room. Tell me that it gets better, being alone together. The world is upside down and I'm turning inside out. Tell me that it gets better, being alone together. Sit by the window, catching the sun and tracing clouds. I can't believe I'm missing crowds. Time moving so slow, again I'm staring at my phone. Yesterday feels a year ago. Wake up, I'm ready to go, yeah. Feeling so good in control, yeah. Then think of the places I could be, so I give up and watch TV. I think I'm going crazy, pacing around my room. Tell me that it gets better, being alone together. The world is upside down and I'm turning inside out. Tell me that it gets better, being alone together. Being alone together. Being alone together. I'll never take for granted as things.
So guys, that's it for that cleaning video. It's time for some tea chocolate. Yeah, in these beautiful mugs, I'm going to plug you in my next video. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.
I think I'm going crazy.